welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Gracie. Now Gracie's chatting about things. She's talking about Bulldog and other people that's been sending her voice notes, and she's saying, why isn't it that you send your voice notes that your whatever you had to say to me, why is it that you're only sending what Bulldogs say? She's asking the person this. So go ahead and check out the video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget that for a short time I will be allowing you guys to advertise for free on my channel. All you have to do is send your information, your business information, and I will include it in my recordings. So thank you so much for joining me, and watch the video now. Thank you.
Twar. Bulldog, what did the orange fence signify? What is the meaning of the orange fence? Now no come with the mouth full of lies. Me come with voice note and recording. Come here now, Bulldog. Come here. Eh? You can't tell nobody about mix-up and your wickedness. What did the orange fence signify, Bulldog? Why did you not send down a Jamaica to get information and never get nothing? And send the false thing, I'm going to give Shanti. And when Shanti talk, I don't like Shanti, I don't like him. I don't like him, and I don't look no friend from him neither. But why when Shanti did talk, when he say I like Shanti, I tell her never to send them? Eh? Why they never talk, so I didn't send Shanti the things them? If him bring down at the shop. Eh? Why me never hear them something they talk? Because when him did come out and talk, when he saw false information, and had me tell him no sound of false on Gracie, them send Shanti the things them for true, lying things them. Alright, you a bully star again. And then me going to some other one. Will not call me now on the phone here, please.
Me know that, but me not reach that part there. My brother fi see that part. They say I show the boy name. Because me tell us every time somebody call me, say me have to put the plane for aeroplane mode. That's me can watch them. Yeah, me just see it now. Me see you're right at Dana Yard. That's the orange influence. Me just see it.
Alright. You see the junk over there, so the junkyard one now. You send me 2 voice notes where bully say. Why you never send me what you did say during the argument with you? When not talk about the bad man them and the gun them. Talk what you say, bring them, send forth the voice note they talk. Show you how you stay. You send out the voice note them where bully say. What you say night? Because we know you. So you must say something. What you did say? The dirty yard one. When yard want clean up the wannabe teachers. That one we're talking to. And we not get a full life. It hungry for views and money. And all it hungry. It come by and it give the most cash up, and it not no ambition because still live in a mad people facility. Not argue with that the one day. But now go argue with that the one day. Want me see them, but me not see them. I don't see them. Them want me see them, but me not see them. Alright. Wait, let me look for our next voice note.
Man, the whole of Uno, you are worse than when me do are. And me can't leave Uno go right now, because I'm afraid of Uno. Call Uno by name. The whole of Uno.
Lord, you do the people and the wickedness, fire. The wickedest fire. Nobody gonna beat you all now, Lord. Nobody beat you on social media in a wickedness. Remember, Lord, what you hate the woman for? Talk to me, Lolo. Why you keep hours of life on the woman? The woman don't give you no reason. Why you keeping it? All of the voice note them where you send come give me. And them send both it over there come give me. Me can't find the reason for you hate the people in. Me can't find the depths of reason why you hate the people in. Me not hate them, me no. And them know me not hate them. Them black the other one, you see them black me? Me still have access to them phone, me just don't call them. You hear them come out and they say the other one, if they turn out, open their phone and send some things with the other one, then could never say that about Gracie. They could never did say that about Gracie. Come in and call them with Mixup. Then go say about the other ones, if they open their phone, so same thing will happen when they send go give them the phone. Me never said nothing go give her in a phone yet. Never. Me not hate them, me no. But you hate them, Lord. Come with reason, Lord. Reason good. Make a reason. Me gonna play back with your big friend did say about you. Me man never me cuss you and tell them something I know. And your big friends that come from over the artist mouth, Lord. Come with it. Them you something in play upon live, you know. Them you something in play upon live. But when they send it come cuss you, then forward them back to me. Yeah, them did. Yes, them did.
I can't believe you make chit chat smarter than you. Listen to chit chat live and see if chit chat no figure it out. Can't believe you, Gracie. You let me down, man. It's alright.
Alright. This is when them a tell lie now. You don't lie now. They say when winter broke out, me and Dirty Boy a friend. And me and Dirty Boy still a laugh up. This is when Dirty Boy a big friend from Gracie Sheen.
Gracie, I know what you do. I know exactly what you do. I think you should have known something smarter than that for you to see exactly what you do. I'm not gonna talk good for you, Gracie. And you behind the scenes are talk to me like you work out things. And then online you go on like you look sympathy from the people them. For say me kill you. I'm a war to kill you.